By the end of the video, you will know about how to effectively work out at the gym as a beginner, ensuring you build a solid foundation for your fitness journey. Going to the gym can be intimidating at first, but with the right approach, you can achieve great results. Let's get started. 1. Start with a warm-up. Begin your workout with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, such as walking on the treadmill or using the elliptical. This helps increase your heart rate and prepares your muscles for exercise. 2. Focus on compound exercises. Incorporate compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups at once. Examples include squats, great for legs and glutes. Deadlifts, targets the back, hamstrings, and glutes. Bench press, works the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Rows, targets the back and biceps. Overhead press, works the shoulders and triceps. 3. Use proper form. It's crucial to maintain proper form to prevent injury and maximize effectiveness. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask a trainer for help or watch instructional videos. 4. Start light. Begin with lighter weights to master technique before gradually increasing the weight. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions per exercise. 5. Include cardiovascular exercise. Incorporate cardio into your routine to improve heart health and burn calories. Try running on the treadmill, using the stationary bike, or trying the rowing machine. 6. Cool down and stretch. After your workout, cool down with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, and then stretch your muscles. This helps improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your workout and consider refueling with a protein shake, Dymatize ESO 100 or Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey, both gluten-free and high in protein to support muscle recovery and growth. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue our video's main topic. Consistency is key to seeing progress. Aim to work out 3 to 4 times per week, allowing your muscles time to recover between sessions. Listen to your body and gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable with your routine. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Happy training, and see you at the gym.